If you use Telegram and want a simple way to keep important messages, links, photos, or reminders for later, then saved messages is one of the best features you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save messages in Telegram in just a few seconds, so you can keep everything in one private place that you can access anytime. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and go to the message you want to save. This can be a message from a chat, a group, a channel, or even something you sent yourself. Once you find the message, right-click on it if you're using Telegram on desktop. On mobile, you can usually press and hold the message to bring up the options menu. The goal here is to open the menu that gives you different actions for that message. From the menu, select Forward. This tells Telegram that you want to send that message to another chat or location instead of just leaving it where it is. Forwarding is the key step because saved messages works like your personal cloud notebook inside Telegram. It's private, it syncs across all your devices, and it's perfect for storing things you might need later. After you click forward, look at the top of your chat list and find saved messages. This is your private Telegram storage space, and it's available by default on every account. Click saved messages to send the message there. Once you do that, Telegram will save a copy of the message inside your personal saved area, where you can open it anytime from your phone, tablet, or computer. That's really all there is to it. The message is now saved, and you can go back to save messages whenever you want to review it, copy it, forward it again, or use it as a quick reference. You can keep all kinds of useful content there, like important usernames, shopping lists, travel details, notes, links, voice messages, and even files. One of the best things about saved messages is that it helps you stay organized without needing a separate notes app. Instead of searching through old chats later, you can just keep your important items in one place. It's fast, simple, and built right into Telegram, which makes it really useful for everyday use. If you want to save multiple messages, you can repeat the same process for each one. Right-click, choose Forward, and send it to Save Messages. That way, everything important stays in your personal Telegram archive and is easy to find when you need it. So to recap, if you want to save a message in Telegram, right-click the message, choose Forward, and then click Save Messages at the top of your chat list. In just a moment, your message will be stored in your private cloud space and ready whenever you need it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, app tips, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.